Hello, guys, and welcome to Bukat's Masterclass. If you have missed me enough, I know you are right because I've been away for some time, and I believe that many people have missed me also in this channel. But guys, thank you. Everything that made me to go off for some times has been fixed. I'm back again, and we are here to smash the chart. So if you are happy to see me again in your screen, kindly hit the like button, guys. Just smash the like button. Let's get the flow going. So in today's particular video, I said this a long time ago that we are going to talk about breakout trading strategy. So when it comes to trading, one of the best strategy I've ever used, and I've ever used it to smash up a lot of millions in the crypto space, is about breakout strategy. So I'm going to teach you breakout strategy, what breakout strategy is all about, and how you can prioritize it in your chart, how you can make good use of breakout strategy to make money. So, without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. Now, the first thing is this: when you have to, for you to be able to know what a breakout means, an area. For example, let me just use my chart. For example, this is a point. Okay, this is a point. This is a point, and this particular place is a point. Now, there is something that do happen. This point, this point, this point, and this point, and this point, all are an area of where the price of this coin hit for the first time. Now, there is also an area of point right here. So this is also a point. Okay. Now, this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, these are what resistance level in this particular point. This particular place is a resistance level, this is a resistance level, and this is a resistance level in the previous price movement. So what we are going to do, what you are going to look for is look for the resistance levels when a coin is about to get its move and mark it out like this. So all you guys do is first of all start marking it out, you remove the circles, pull out the circles, pull out the circles, pull off everything I'm just gonna do. Then the next thing is get your right angle and position your right angle like this. Position it this way. So you have positioned your right angle, your line like this. This is telling you that this particular level is a breakout region. And what happens is this: for example, if we have not gotten to this level when this chart is about forming up, okay, so our target will be here. This particular level here is our target. Okay. Remember, I do say something like this. So when this level is our target, this is another resistant level. Remember, this particular place is a resistant level. This place is a resistant level. This place is a resistant level. So before, let's say an example that the coin is still reacting around this area. Okay, let's for example the coin is still reacting around this particular level. Okay, because what made this place a very strategic and a very profitable resistance level, very a good resistance level, is because of what there has been a drop. The coin has reached to that level and drop, reach the second time and drop, reach the third time and drop. That is, it has 4 points. So that can be considered as what, as a point of interest for us in these terms of resistance. So what we are looking at right now, if the coin is still here, is we want to see, okay, what will happen when the coin moves above this particular level. So when the coin moves above this level, we are now going to target the next resistance level, which stands here. This is another resistance level. So that could be your target right now. So what I do myself, what I do is this: I get off my long position and projected it around here, or project it around here and target around this place above. Now, why do I do? You might ask me, what if it is a fake breakout? If it is a fake breakout, that's what I want to do. Like when you put in your long position like this, You have to make sure that this particular candle that break out this resistance level close above it. If it close, remember this was the place that the particular candle closed. This was the level of closing. This was where it closed. So if it closes above the resistant level, if it closes above the resistant level of this breakout region, then we can consider it as what this is a good breakout. So we launch it and target what to the next level, which is here. So, and if you look at this particular chart, once we got a breakout, the next thing that happens is that we happens to move to the next resistance level, and that is a good trade if you did trade it. So, guys, this is actually how to spot in a resistance level. Let's look at other coins like this. So there are many other coins like this that you also can look for and find a resistance level. Okay, and this particular thing you can do it both on 1 hour chart, then 15 minutes chart. All these charts is possible, but you can also get a resistant, a breakout resistant level. So, and you trade it like that and you'll be sure of making profit. Okay, let's go to another coin called ETH. So let's see. So guys, welcome. I welcome you all. Okay, this is perfect. I think this is still on my chart, guys. So let me use this particular chart and teach you something. If you have never learned anything today, then you are happy to be here. So guys, let's learn something. Let me use for a while. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is me that analyze this particular coin. Now, how did I know that this is a resistance level? This is a breakout region. There was a point right here. There was a point right here, and there was a point right here. Okay, so there was 2 point right here. This particular place is so I marked it out. Remember, when I marked this particular place, this thing has not happened. It has not happened. So this particular place has not even happened. This place has not happened. So where I marked was because of this, and also this particular drop here, which serves as a support. So I got to find the structure. So I marked out some structural from some regions that that I should pay attention to. After marking it out, one thing I did was I said, okay, if this particular price that is coming up here will be able to close above this region, then the next targeted place is the next resistance level. Put in my long position right there, and I did it, and it happened. It paid out. I made some money, and that's it. So look for a resistance level where you look for a resistance level where the price of that coin has fallen multiple times at a resistance level. Mark it out. Then the next thing you have to do is for you to now mark it out, then target the next resistance level. So after marking it out, the next thing is what? After marking it out like this, then you mark your candles targeting the next resistance level. So for you to make your position valid, remember that the next candle that will break out that region you marked must close above it. So if the candle closed above it, then that is a strong breakout, a breakout trade. So you enter it and you target the next one. Don't even bother if this trade stay for a long time. Just stay in that particular trade and trust me, you're gonna make some money. So guys, smash up the like button if you don't like this video. I'll come your way next time to teach you more about breakout and flip zones. So guys, see you guys in the next one. It's your guy, Vocas. Subscribe to the channel, guys.